music going.
Off your Bluetooth.
My Bluetooth in the car. This thing, this life, and the hello. He face Frank, that's why you. Here I'm a boy lad here, Frankie. Oh boy, yeah, not be smart you. I'll be smarting, you know. You see, man, when Two-Face when he come out with the music that year, he say, my brother, he say not be smart, you know. This Europe what we dey so many of our brothers and sisters wey dey Africa, they think say the money we dey pick am for ground. They no know say as they dey work the hustle for that way, so na so we see dey work the hustle for this way, so we no dey sleep. And they no know say na the stress wey dey Europe here, so e pass the ones wey be say e dey Africa. You understand me? So just imagine few days back now, we get a lot of people for Europe from Edo State, from different parts of Nigeria, from different states from Nigeria. But the majority people for Europe, Edo people many for inside. For many years ago, now so they thought say they want Edo State go get international airport whatsoever. They give their land close to they call this place Stella Abasajo Hospital. The land they waste there for many years. If they their budget as international airport, it not get head. It not be get the head, you go pick just now. You wait, you don't honor and leave and you go pick just now. You understand me? So it not be get their head, it not be get head for them for that state. Now let we go carry container go house from Europe here. They go seize our containers. Whereby we get Gele support. The stupid state governors, those animals, those criminals, they not gree invest money to take build down. Waiting, you go benefit the state, benefit the youth, benefit everybody, including Edo State treasurer or whatsoever. The greediness and the wickedness wey dey worry, they say they rule for 4 years or 8 years, they go comot, another person go enter, wetin they do, another person na go begin enjoy am. Not be saying another person wan enjoy am whatsoever. The benefit na from everybody, for your own stupid so-called governor or minister or whatsoever, your generations na go still benefit am. But because of the foolishness and the wickedness wey dey worry una no gree do am. Airport, Edo State reach to get international airport. You not get head for una. Can you imagine person go suffer finish for Europe? He go dey go house saying they go Nigeria. On his way going back home, then he might go get accident on 1 or 2 things. All his struggle, all his pain, everything go your end. Know that thing, brother. All his suffer, all the pain. Basically, they happy, they go house. After all the house, we build everything. Waiting, don't labor for Europe. Inside cold, inside snow, everything. He go your waste. He go your get accident, he go your die. If you not get accident there, either police go shoot out for road, or the jam criminals for road. 1 or 2 things go happen to them. Or road, or say road not good. Or this one happen. Just imagine a young man now they go house now for Europe now. Inside this month, so if they go house with happiness, maybe you want to go put your house now for all the struggle and those struggle suffer for Europe now. The stupid customs, the stupid Buhari regime, those animals, Atiku Buhari, those bastards, those criminals, go including Obasanjo, where be say he be the father of corruption. Go reach Tinubu, go reach Oshomole, the useless animals. Just as those stupid governors, ministers, people say everybody go gather, youth will come together. Man, Nigeria, where we say man, we did very dumb. Why we say they're very weak? For you up here, you can't increase anything or whatsoever. If you increase and nobody, everybody go strike. Workers not go work. Nobody go move. Nothing. And government go know how much we go lose for that day. Nigeria go they suffer, but inside suffer when they did all the smart put. But they go out now for Europe now, they go out, go put the project or whatsoever now. Cost to carry go. Because better than they shoot them. They your end up with career, everything. All is strong on your end. Go on and know the pain where we say with the first. Where that cost to no carry gun, they go shoot Tulubu. Or may go kill Obasanjo, or may kill Atiku, or Buhari. The same stupid Nigerian youth, now they say they carry gun, they arrest themselves on the street because these bastards, their children they Canada, their children they UK, their children they America, they study. They will not the west to the left for street. They will come, they will create spaces for them. They will sit there on top of una be fool. Una be fool. Una be fool. Country where we say our parents don't take free treatment. Country where we say best is sick, the Russian go hospital, they'll say go take out or go here, because that best go round. That best go give up. Yeah, now this small thing go happen now, you go call ambulance. All that 4-5 minutes, ambulance don't take you for your outside now. He started that they enter inside with every treatment they start. For inside motor, or if na be same where like the region where like they Trentino, if na Mati are there, helicopter go come straight. Under 3 minutes, helicopter don't come down to rescue life. But the useless government and some wicked pastors who now they buy private jets, who now they buy all stupid things. How much will I pay for parking space for private jet for a day? Well, not wicked. Well, now you get devilish heart. Now Nigeria the devil go sit down. Now Nigeria now be the headquarters of Satan, of demons. Well, not wicked. Wanna get bad man. Wanna not get feelings, human feelings. Wanna not get human feelings. The stupid Nigerian youth now, we not let swore about that for stupid election. Now Nigeria never says that for a postponed election, a date to. How can you fix date to election? You don't pay everything. You say you pay for provisions and everything. They go on to just one night. Suddenly you can change everything. Say election not get ahead. Nigeria not be country, very hopeless land. It's a blessed land from our Creator. But the animals where Nigeria youth they refuse to fight for their rights. Everybody, including me. Nigeria good. Now I come up with my country, there Europe. I love Africa. Home is home. But life not the safe. Life's not there. Just come out see where we say countries they get. Light, good road, hospitalities, securities, housing, estate housing. All those are nothing we will get. So just imagine the students they go school, they graduate, they come out of school, no work for them. Graduate, they drive Okada. Graduate, they sell pure water. Graduate, they do all sorts of domestic jobs for a nation called country, so-called Nigeria also. I don't give a fuck about it. Nothing good. The same useless youth now, una they support those evil people. Young Bessie come out now. Oshowore come out now. For to follow up now. Okay, let's rescue that country from these demons. Oshowore go campaign. They not go see you now, the youth. But APC, PDP, where they say you go condemn una life, condemn una generation. Una go they run follow them. Una look for 5,000 or send a better finish now. Tomorrow now they complain say government not good, the country not good, blah blah blah. Wanna not send a better right. Our boys now for home now they don't go Ghana. They don't go different countries. Una they say that they do blood money, that they use gas part or this one they use. Why they don't see? May I tell you now, our mama, our papa, our senior brothers, we refuse to stand for the truth. People when they do ritualists, they're going to see you after they do ritualists. They're going to see you after they do ritualists. Since we are saying for not let una live, say now the country birthright, una children birthright on what they say. They're going to see you after they do ritualists. Those when they support this evil going to befall una. I think we not get good record. In all the other PDP as a vice president for good 8 years, other useless so-called ambassador. What did they do? Who good record they get? Ambassador say what give Nigeria less. I don't know how many billions of dollars we loot. Now with Atiku, you don't know how wise, you not be fool. Stupid Nigeria youth, you not be fool. You not be fool. See young man that doesn't over Europe now on his way going back, on his way going home now. Those stupid custom. Them Buhari ambassador, una family, una go wait on that guy will come 5,000 naira. Una end the life, una end the struggle for nothing. Just imagine the pain when it cost to that young man. The pain when it cost to that young man. As I thought on our son on our winter time we did for Europe now. Una say na sweater I wear so sweater. See my jacket, put on my size. Now sweater I wear so. Go dey circle inside one now. The stupid Nigerian youth una see the trauma they give our guests for Europe. Nigeria good now they come out for us. They do prostitution for Europe. They also to keep the family to start family to make sure they move their mama from sofa. Una think that they happy they do that rough work when they do. Or una dey say man we were there as a man so with the happy they put. See other countries for Africa they don't get money reach Nigeria. Then they live well but their guests not the travel. Now we supposed to do the travel, come take care of our women, take care of our family for home. But because of this the poverty, we una cause us. Many boys don't die for Libyan route. Many die for desert. I don't witness how many motos from a 2007, 2627. For inside desert, they see my own fellow brothers and sisters, they go down. Inside outside, that says so. And lead there, say my last prayer. Just, let's say 10 or 20 minutes to give up. Before God said rescue come. But a lot of them not feel make up. Souls go. I've been in prison for Libya. I've been before being went out this Europe, so we don't know how many temptations when I face. Where I'm going to carry go, the lights, they follow me for street. AK-47 made the bagger for street, then the lights, they follow me. For the same Libya, so we don't know how many boys, girls will go down. Our sisters, whether they rape. Then they rape our sisters, and they mess them up for that country. Nigeria don't talk to Nigerian youths and everybody don't talk to refugees for different countries of the world. The way that they announced that they thief $50-something billion. That was thief $200-something billion. Before now millions now the thief. Maybe 20 million, 10 million. Now, we don't develop today now billions of dollars for the thief. Nigeria population of this 1 billion. Youth will not see all those ones. Fools. Lazy Nigeria youth will not see all those ones. We not the campaign to follow those animals when they destroy our future. Come on, I call Europe, but I can see youth. From primary school, from nursery to primary school, no school fees. It's free education. If they have before you see any threat here, the school now you go pay money now, you not go physically go to school. Strike or 1 or 2 things. School is supposed to go for 3 years, they go make you go for 6 years. Before you still go serve. What did they saw? Nigerians will not want to wake up. You don't want to wake up from a slumber. You don't want to wake up. See the young guy now when they go out now, they don't end up with life. They don't end up with life. He dream everything. Maybe don't build the house now. They happy now, say me go put your house. Maybe see mama or see parents. Nah. Where is he? Where the dream now? That stupid dream killer, so-called Nigeria, is a dream killer. Is a dream killer. Useless country. Wicked evils. Demons. Bloodsuckers. What did they happen? You take that young man life for nothing. Say you be custom. Now you might be custom the check for road. I've been on a goose. Not the airport, the fellow come down. You not live what? Go to kill that young man when they struggle for Europe here. They suffer for inside rain, inside sun, inside cold. Taking life for nothing. Demons, wicked, evil leaders. Police, the soldiers, they okay. Police, whether Navy, they call them, or mobile police, whatever. They are all bloodsuckers. Una with our leaders, una be the same. Both sides are all, una be the same. The stupid man will call the president. We're not people identify itself. They carry blind people, sick people. They put up front say I'm the president. I think una way there now. They interview her. They say no can reach himself, but for you no can reach himself. He no can reach his family, but for the friends. Nigerians who are dead. Presidential candidate say no can reach himself or his family, but for the friends. Who will be the friends? Who will be the friends? Una don't know. Una don't know. You they go airport, they drag you, pay this one. They will disgrace themselves. Those animals, useless country, forbidden country. It be like that apple we got up for the Garden of Eden. Say me will not chop that apple and forbidden apple. Nigeria is a forbidden country. It's the most worstest country. They're supposed to declare that country as a terrorist country. It's a terrorist country. Nigeria itself is a terrorist. It's a terrorist. A country called terrorist, Nigeria is a terrorist. See old people 70 something years. Even those years when they do a day, no. They even cut and come up because of politics. Their age past that one. See Showore, see young people. About Showore, see that young the candidate will come out. Nigeria youth are not blind, they carry gun, they shoot, they're gonna team balance for these useless people. Now Google kill all of you now. So Google go kill all of you now. As soon as no one the rest for evil, the youth where they not get sense, now so now gonna follow that gunshot they die and they throw away. That gunshot I gonna kill you now day and night. Una go the die for that gunshot. Ogun go kill you now because Ogun na iron. See that young man they take his life, they kill his dream. Stop all struggle for nothing. The country we help. Who Nigeria help that country we help? The Nigeria help that young guy that come out for us. Maybe na desert and I follow, not die for desert though. He passed through all those risks and everything for that desert and he not die for that desert. He entered Libya now was smart boys on the shoot, they do everything. He survived. He followed that sea, that Mediterranean sea. When me I follow 2013, my boat cassette, over 150 something with 21 of us will survive. I was among the surviving ones 2013, June 17th. Over 150 something with 21 will survive. I would say I still follow those who say go down. My dream don't end. That one happened. I found myself in prison for Libya again, back underground prison. I start fasting and pray. God deliver me. I come out. Struggle continues again. I've been for Zwara when I don't blow to swallow me tire. I go to run, men go to go down. Bullet go to touch me, men go to go down. I go to survivor. Last 214 I enter Europe now. Then one person go call and say, man, you want to take him away one plan towards he said, you go use here carry on. As all of us take suffer enter Europe, any mama or papa, brother or sister, or the country where they plan evil against any of us, the evil will be before the day or night. Anybody they plan evil towards us, whether our loved ones or whatsoever, if you sleep, may not wake up. If you blink here, may death take her. May death take her. How much should they pay for accident for Nigeria? What are they killing yourself people for? How much should they pay for accident? And they pay €300 for one room. Calculate down about 120,000. Light bill never day. Gas bill never day. Water bill never day. Dirty bill never day. Different bills may begin a name. He never day inside. Inside we'll see same okay, we'll see try our best. See tidy family. This one will never pull out. What would the Africa will never do? Because when we don't come up for us, we will not get trust again. Because we see our country carry us to the level where our country put us go. We need to pull out for social things for the Western world. We need to pull out for baba things to make sure we fit meet up to our task. We don't tell them clear method they do. We don't know how many niggas were there prison. We don't want to contest for election. We don't do election. We don't want to do election. Nigeria youthful prison for Europe. The Nigeria get the highest numbers of prison, the prisoners were there in Europe, of Italy, here, for other countries. The Nigeria be the highest numbers where they prison. Go Libya and Nigeria see the highest numbers where they prison. When they dey prison for those places, Mona go check out. Mona go record. Mona go president may say we get embassy here. The embassy not even they work for us to start with. Embassies they work for themselves. They collect money for themselves. Nigerians go not do anything for a year. They'll put allegation for a year. Where the embassies to defend them, where the lawyers to defend them, what the embassies they stand for. It stands for the citizens. Where we say man, it did the land. Where we say we forget embassy, but our embassy what they stand for? They are criminals. As of Buhari be animal, be idiot. That's all the ones where they our embassies to Italy here and other Europe countries. That's all they be animals too. They only fight for the pocket. They don't care how many citizens will get. Nigerian citizens will data here. They know the numbers. Even for the Western world. The animals, fools, useless country. Animals, useless country called Nigeria. A dirty, a zoo. Now the Kanu they call it zoo now zoo. Men they share that country. Okay. People go from south, from east, go campaign for north. You not go see any northern at all go come out. You go be like say the full northern at na very glad. But if Atiku go, if Buhari go, all of them go pack come out. They go pack come out. You know this one to get the same the country same as the tribalism whatsoever that they use that the same Atiku Buhari will come outside. Oh, our lazy youth all of them go pack come out. Who know go pack come out go 5,000, 30,000. Stupid people understand our bet rights. Tomorrow now come when I start the shout. Hey, this one not good though. Well, Google kill all of you now. When they support evil for that land. Oh, Google kill all of you now. Oh, Google kill all of you now. Oh, Google kill all of you because that's the enemies. They not they pray for them. Now Google kill all of you now. When they support Buhari, they support Atiku. Or best the way if I come tell Atiku say Atiku now the worstest whatsoever. Now criminal and this that. You didn't want to, but about the talk now lie. Okay, if we talk about the talk now, what about Fela? Fela not talk about the same set of people where they rule the country. We don't say Fela say like boy they smoke, you don't know what they talk. But everything when Baba Fela talk, everything they happen now. The same people when they contest say they be criminal. We don't know the same to na eye. We don't know the same. All of them look at that one here, well, they don't share that between our families. Country property is not up to individuals' own. This one go get 6 years where, this one go get 5 years where. State where they don't even get, country state where they don't even get oil for that side. They get the numbers of oil where. Where did they solve? Where did they solve? The south, where they produce the oil, the south, where they get the oil. Go see the youth. Go see the lavish school, good education out there, no good hospital, nothing, no good roads. But when I go see like lot times, when I go see things, what did they solve? No one wise. No one wise. No one get sense. No one get sense. Which guy useless country where they can dream killer? Nigeria is a dream killer. Now they call them a country. I dey regret why God let me even come down from that land. I dey regret am. If I will change my nationality, I will change that subito. Because that country, anyway, if you mention that for the Western world, say you are in Nigeria, my brother and mother go they give you chance. Then they look you like one can just you are a suspect. You know there you go, they only rich. You are a suspect. How the country can push us to reach outside country? You are a suspect. Tell Obama say man, you be Nigeria. You are a Nigerian man. You be like say man, they jam everything. They jam who they do evil. They jam the worstest places. They jam with the highest mafias. The highest mafias. You be like say man, they jam man. Country don't push us beyond our imagination. You know, see the clap man, they follow evil people. First go serve a for Europe and make go ask now. Basically go relax yourself. See what you labor for. Una go take a life. If family not take a life, thief will take a life. If thief not take a life, God may go take a life. What did they happen? What did we do now? What did we do now? If he is the one that not take the risk, what we take? You that custom officers, why not to wake God more than take the risk what we take? We know not many soldiers so that you wake God the enter route. There's a survivor that after they live better life. Why not you want to go more than enter route? Why not you want to go? Now they had innocent people life. They kill their dream. Nigeria is a dream killer. Una way they said that. Una the people who see struggle corner. We will see the light. We will not quench the light from them. Now what quench the light? We will not know the risk, the suffer where they suffer before they enter the jam. First go lost the house for winter time. Now know the pain. Now know the pain when in the face. When I don't sleep inside cold one, so now we sleep inside freezer. Freezer what are they eat on? Like you know big sleeper. Yeah, what would that on? I said freezer. It was past that freezer. What's past that? No, I don't know. What's past that? Now this is what they enjoy here. We they pick the money for grand. First you this time money go give you now. See they complain. When women go reach to marry, they're not going to get married because of family. Because of family. The stupid ones who sit there, Africa, now the trauma they can't give the guys who they Europe say, they be Ashago, that they do this one, this one. Your mama not be Ashago. Your mama not be Ashago. Your sister not be Ashago. Your mama, your sister not be Ashago. Your family is not be Ashago. Una think that clear, they tell they do all those things they do. Una not get sense. Una don't see any human being wey break complete, he break complete for way with the right senses. He go open leg, they give different members, they still they collect money. Inside they'll see beat them. For the road one whether they will see collect their money, beat the joiner. Una think that clear, they tell they do one. Because of their family, because of what did their country turn them to. They're supposed to ask, they go school. Those days are poor people, children, I even get the brave pass or go school now, they go school well. Now they don't even do the education system, make poor person not to go school again. And the big man children, they be done, they don't know IE, they be pushed over. Now the poor people children, they support them, they carry them, they go along, they write exam for them, to do everything for schools. We don't know that one. Now, the poor people children not fit go school again. As now they increase the salary, they increase school fees, they join now. When I see they go also strike every time. Foolish country, useless country. A pig. Nigeria is a pig. Now pig is on unclean animal. Now Nigeria be unclean animals. A pig. Dirty country. The blessed land by God, but it's a dirty land, the dirty country now. The foolish animals don't take over the demons. People where they go gather, put fuel for gather all of them, put fuel for the tie them on one, dig one hole, put all of them, put both the passenger, Atiku, Oshomole, all of them. Gather all of them, pour the acid. Not before I pour the acid, met all of them. All those demons. PDP, they'll not be the same. Not be the same people that be. They'll deceive you and they deceive you and not be me. They deceive you and they carry gun, they shoot for street, they pursue themselves up or down, they kill themselves. Young man now they go and snap, they go relax his brain now. I know he's strong for inside this corner. The stupid customer now had the life. Now taking life for nothing. Now taking life. More good kill all of them, kill Buhari, kill Atiku, kill the generation. Atiku, he children all of them, they Canada. The ones where they UK, the school. Fools! Nigeria, lazy Nigeria youth. Where Atiku children for inside the campaign? Fools! Where Buhari daughter, his son will get accident that they wear for front of campaign. Stupid people. Where there? For you know they see them for front of campaign. Where their daughter? Stupid people, fools, animals. Biafra said they won't go on their own. I don't want to allow them go. Now by force. More than let Biafra go. Let the country share. Let everybody stand for some years. Give them Biafra, not say no. Una they loot the country. They loot the country. The UK where they are, so UK now the worst class. UK know all the problem what they pass through. They are the same UK that they carry the money they go. The same UK is there for they buy the properties. They buy the properties. They don't know from the UK that the problem of that country, Nigeria. The UK, that be the problem of that country. Underground, green snake under the green grass. Who now they use all those useless animals against us. They enslave us everywhere for different parts of the countries, for the world. They enslave us anyhow. They disgrace us up and down. Buhari go disgrace us. All of them they disgrace us. To the extent that they mock Nigeria for the rest African leaders, they use Nigerians as a mock news. They mock us. All the properties where we get, they don't shut up between themselves. This stupid man Shomole, he carry those state house for Lagos. He go sell am. He with the cabas, they share money. Properties where they come meet for the state, where they supposed put in position, arrange, rebuild them again, do everything, do new structures. They sell all of them. More good kill all of them now. They sell all of them. Where Minister of Housing, we not get Minister of Housing for different states. What do they do? Where estate management? We not they build housing to elevate poverty for the states. We not they build housing for the youth, for the people, for the poor people. When they see get roof over their head, the trillions, the billions, one of the thief, dollars. Country where monkey for the swallow money. Country where snake for the swallow money. Ogun will kill all of una. Ogun go kill all of una. Kill una generations. They kill una generation. Tinubu wey dey the other day, he first do his son, he not there. May feel the pain when he dey cause to our mothers and our fathers. He first son died that day. Right now, may they feel the pains. May they feel the pain. May they feel the pain. More good kill all of una. Like Igbeneghu when he did, he ruled Edo State, he killed Edo State, he many people go down, many people die. Many people enter poverty, he increased everything for the state. The cabal that begin to share money, his first son, his son not died that day now, about a few days ago now, he get us to America, he died. May feel the pain where those where they lost their children. Those where they lost their children for desert, for everywhere, for sea. May you see they feel the pain now, right now. As a son sit there, so may you see they feel the pain. Where our mothers they feel, where our fathers they feel. God will get the way go tell they pay all of them. with the evil way that they do to the land. He gonna pay them with everything. If they see that their head strong, their children head not strong, God gonna take their life one by one. I know they get any pity man for any of them, gonna be demons. If death not reach una corner, come knock on a door, and no say death they exist. Tinubu that day, he first saw that, he said last year, she don't feel the pain where need the cost to widows, where need the cost to our fathers and the youths where don't know themselves. He don't feel the pain. Lucky Brady don't see happen, she don't feel the pain where it comes to the states. Mercy feel and men why be. May he feel and men why be. He remember Bassejo where he did. That one maybe in the interior of the children of phone, God will take their life once. May he feel the pain where it cost the nation. Let's go to some of Europe. So he to go out, he go to fear. He go to fear to go out. If family not do their own, government go do their own. If police not do their own, SARS go do their own. If SARS not do their own, Navy go do their own. Best way they carry container, they go seize the container. Una go dey increase money. See Ghanaians go dey go out, they go pack newspaper. They go carry 40 feet, 60 feet container, 70 feet container. They go load rubbish full inside. Paper, you see newspaper, cellophane newspaper, yeah, they go load down. They carry, they go their country. I go there, they say, how much? I don't want to claim this, I don't want to sell this, I don't want to see money, we want to carry this container. Not to talk the money, we want to claim it. They say, na small money, they take a claim container for their side. But we, who come, how much they take a claim container for Lagos? Demons, enemy of progress, enemies, demons, enemies, wicked demons, evils. Now increase money to claim container. We now go see their goods journal. Demons, evil, bloodsuckers. We now they use our money. They carry out, they give their children. They smoke cocaine for schools, Sabi, for Canada, America. Those children, what they invest our money for? I swear to God who made me, by the special grace of God, by His mighty power. Those children, they go rubbish for our eye. They go rubbish for now. Una play among against say because they are on top of us. He can never work for una. They go rubbish for now. They go die for now one by one. They go die for now one by one. Because of them, they destroy the country. Ogun, I go kill all of una. Evils, demons. They take that young man life. Take a life or nothing. She have a side motto. Be like how they sleep, see blood for all his face. Take a life. Don't end that man life like that. What do you do now? 5,000 naira. Now know the struggle where they struggle for Europe. Well, I will take that young man life for 5,000 naira. Kill up or nothing. Useless people. Useless country. Demons, bloodsuckers. Obasanjo, Buhari, and Atiku. They be the same Kaban. They are all the same, they are all bloodsuckers. They the same will finish from morning afternoon, night, they all day together, they drink champagne. They sleep with their young guests. They frustrate the country. Sitting can they come make noise, brag over nothing. Fools, now they support them. Lazy Nigeria youths, now they support them. They watch them for internet, now they carry gun, now they shoot, they exchange gun to themselves. Because those animals now go die for nothing. Now put on our mama and our papa for pain. Useless people. Useless country. Useless people. Let's go to Europe, you go the house of money to go out, you go the fear. You go the fear to go out. If you not fear with bad family, you go fear for police. If you not fear for police, you go fear for SARS. You go fear road where you want where motor worker that reach, follow before you go reach us. I don't know Europe now 5 years one complete so I never see never failure. About they don't carry money say want give Nigeria money, give Nigeria light. He fraud the country. Una ask her where the money, una ask her Atiku wey dey support na no be condemn Atiku. Atiku no dey under the other 8 years under a regime as a vice president. Which good result they show? Animals, lazy Nigerian youth wey dey support this evil. Which good result they give? Una leave Sowore now dey run follow those animals. Sowore dey come because of una because he get pity men for una to rescue una. Una go still go block the convoy for road. Say make give una money, more go kill all of una. Make the accident, make the ogun one of the other, make go kill all of una. Una go see dey block the young man for road. Say make give una money. Make money kill una. Na that money una dey collect so now wey be say they destroy the country so. We dey shame to call ourselves Nigerians for outside country. If anybody ask you if be Nigeria, I want to say yes. They know they use good eye they look you. They know they use good eye they look you. Because this evil, the demons what we get for the country, they frustrate themselves. They understand how they frustrate us. Now the trauma they give guys with the European, not better pass them. Not better pass them. They take the same risk when we take. Bona to go take that risk, Bona enter Europe. Bona go follow the desert, go follow everywhere. Parents feel they even they work well today now they feel they eat or do one or two things. Now the people when they travel. Who the country help? Who na help? Who the country help? Who the government help? At my age, so now I never ever get even 50 kobo from that country say that this one I gave for the country or that this one I benefit for that country. At my age, who the country help? Sticking Nigeria. Who the country help? Lazy Nigeria youth where they follow all those campaigns. Now the trauma they call they give guys for Europe here, that they do this, una better pass them. Una better pass them. Now they are clear they tell they do. Now they are clear. If you're a woman, it's easy for you use your 2 korokoro, they give yourself to men, better they sleep with you because of money. If the country build, if the country build the future of the youth, of the people who go there here, where would they so? Graduate with his certificate, with everything. He dey here, they suffer. They dey inside cold. With the result, he have better result for us. How many people for this Western world go school come and say, man, with the certificate say no get work? Or as they never get work, government go give you ass. You go see they support you. We get anyone for our country, or Google kill all of una. Or Google kill all of una. Now take that young man life now. All his struggle, everything now. Your head down. As he built and they not even see for her now. Say me go and tell your ass. Nothing. Because of $5,000 naira, more go kill you. If government not they pay on a salary, una no government has gonna go attack them. Campaign not they go, una not go attack them for the campaign ground. With the same government they kill that guy. So then they forbid if you keep president or kill the Atiku. Those people will not get good record. Now they see them face to face. Now they say, sir, make sir kill all of you. I don't sit down with the state government for my city. For my city, yes, I don't know say nahi. With the talk, with the reason, I know they say na state governor. For the city when I did so, and I they see I will even the supermarket. He go there my back. He come meet me with the best artist, so he go there my back. The state governor. He go there my back. They go pay back because he come meet me. He go stand on the same line when I stand. I go pay my own. I go pass me do everything. He go sit by his own. We was here that the same, but with the state governor, no security they follow on. Security is one of police one are supposed to give the citizens when supposed to cover the cities, they guide the citizens of the property. That they guide the cabals when they thief money. Make that government and make God the government tell they kill themselves. Not be for those who they cover Europe. Not even for those who they struggle on their own. More of these are they kill themselves, they kill those people who are they guide. Useless country, hopeless people, stupid Nigerian police at the south. See our soldiers now that they kill them in Sambisa forest. The stupid man who calls the president, not they show anyone for the people to see, for people to even know what they go on for the country. They cover all of them. They cover all of them. Evil people. he end that man, that young man life. Take a life. I see that video today. I not fit eat. I not fit do anything. When I know the stress we men dey for Europe here, you know how many Nigerians dey prison for Swiss. Go Austria, you know how many Nigerians dey prison. The Nigerians they tell they feed all their prisons. The ones where they hang for that countries with Sharia law, say because the law hold them, that they hang them. The ones where they collect their kidney, before they kill them, they collect their kidney. We see men make una know that they kill Nigerians unnecessarily with different ways. For different countries, they collect parts, human parts from them. Nigeria be like far owner now where they throw away for street where we say not get owner. Now so we be for different countries for the world. We not get respect again. So ever since our leaders begin to do evil, we lost our respect as the Nigerians. We lost our respect as the Nigerians. Trauma they give people that they end that guy life.